Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Home Tech and Engineering video log. Today, we're going to look at this beautiful Nikon FM2 camera with a Nikon-N auto 24mm wide angle lens. This camera and lens set has several problems. Let's see if we can get it fixed. First of all, the lens is stuck to the camera body. See, we cannot remove it. That's the problem. You see, it's stuck here. Secondly, the film advance lever stuck. Shutter cannot fire. And also mirror got stuck. So let's see what we can do with it. Other than this problem, this camera looks very nice, pretty. And let's see what we can do. First of all, as usual, I try to take off the back plane, right? To see if we have luck. If we can take off the back plane, we can go further. If we cannot take off the back plane, then we may have a problem. Look at that. We have an EC mark here. CE mark. Right here, this is another Nikon FM2 camera. Let's see. You see, they're different. This is target to different market. Let's see. You see, here you don't have EC. I think this is target to European market. We have to check on that. I think okay. Anyway, let's first see if we can remove the screw. I think we can do it. Ooh, okay. That's a good sign. Yeah, if we cannot remove the screw, I will have a bigger problem. Okay, no problem here. Let me see here. No, hopefully no problem here. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. Okay, that's good. This is a good sign. Okay. And let's see how. Okay. This is taken off. Not going to worry about this. Let's see this one. That's a normally common problem with. Let me see if we can. That's the common problem. No, we're not going to fire. We cannot fire that. I have a bigger. Something wrong. Something wrong here. something wrong. Terribly wrong. Okay. Something terribly wrong. Okay, something terribly wrong. As you know, my approach is, if you watch my program, you will notice what I said is we try to usually, if there's a problem, we try to use comparative method to see if we can find out what's wrong with this problematic unit. Okay? See, we can see this. So the thing is, what I'm thinking is, if we can get this film advance issue resolved, get the mirror resolved, probably we can get the lens off. That's what we'll try here. Now, I'm not clear what's wrong with the film advance, right? It doesn't seem it's clogged. So as I said, we're going to use comparative study, okay? So we'll rely on this one. We're going to see this one supposedly work, right? See? This one is working. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to take off this one first. Then we'll do comparative study. That's the only way we can do, find out what's wrong. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's wrong here. Okay. I see that. There's some obvious difference here. You can see obvious difference. You see, this lever is at the wrong location. Doesn't that matter? I think this is at the clocked position. It's clocked. Right now it's clocked, but it doesn't release. Right now it's clocked. Right now it's clocked. Just didn't release. It's clogged. Right now it's, but somehow it cannot release. Let me see here. Why it cannot release? Okay, it's clogged. That's bad. I think probably magnet. The magnet bad. It looks like the magnet bad. It really doesn't release at all. It does not release. It does not release at all. It does not release at all. Why? It does not release. It does not release. We'll have to find out. We have to find out. It probably take me a while to find out why it cannot release. It's because of the stuck lens? No. This is clogged. Everything is clogged there. I have no idea. Why I cannot release it. I think the release mechanism dead. Releasing mechanism is dead. It cannot release. That's strange. It cannot release. I cannot find obvious reason right now. I have to do some reading, looks like. I have to do some reading. Okay, I'll come back, okay? See you later.